Thank you for watching Rage Gaming on YouTube. Today we will be going over how to add or remove items from the DayZ mod search for loot. I use GTX as my hosting service, so I will refer to everything for GTX users. You can use what you like, though. Using other hosting services might make some things different. Make sure that you have the mod search for loot already installed and you or someone else has entered your server since you installed it. This way the profiles for this mod will be in the profiles folder. Okay, let's begin. First, open GTX. Login, click on your file manager. Scroll down to Profiles. Navigate and click on Search for Loot. Scroll up if you can't see the top of the page. Double-click on Search for loot.json. Never the .logs unless you are needing to see what your mod has been doing. Once inside, use Ctrl-A to highlight all, then Ctrl-C to copy what is highlighted. Now that it is copied to your clipboard, you can click the X to exit out and open up Visual Studio Code to edit this .json. I will put a link so you can install this if you don't have it. Once Visual Studio Code is opened, you can push Ctrl-N for a new page or go to File at the top left, then to New Text File if you don't like using shortcuts. In this Untitled 1 tab, you can push Ctrl-V to paste. Usually it will start you at the bottom, and that is where we need to be for this .json file, so that's perfect. Now we have to go get the types file of the things we want to add. Head back to GTX and go to File Manager. Scroll down to MP Missions this time, that's where the types files should be. Click on the server you are using. Scroll up and double-click your custom types folder. Your folder might be named differently, and that's okay. Just go into whatever folder has your custom types in it. I will be adding a gun for this example, so I'll use Snafu. Double-click whatever one you want. Make sure you double-click on just the types.xml. Highlight all, Ctrl-A. Copy all highlights with Ctrl-C. Exit this page and go back to Visual Studio Code and press Ctrl-N to make a new tab. Once you are in the new tab, press Ctrl-V to paste the types file in there. Scroll and find the item you want to add. Here we go, we will add this. Highlight this name with the quotations only. Copy that with Ctrl-C. Go to the first tab with the search for loot.json. Now that we are back in here, you can put new items in any of these here near the bottom. I'm going to be putting what I copied from the types here. Go to the back of the comma of any of these in the list and press Enter. Now press Ctrl-V to paste your typed item in the list. Make sure to add the comma at the end unless it is the last item on the list, then make sure there is no comma at the end. It needs to look similar to this. Now you can go get another item if you would like and put it in the same way. If you want something from a different type, then you will need to go get a new types file and paste it over this types file in Visual Studio Code or make a new tab again and put it in there. Now that new item or items are in there, we need to validate this JSON file. I will put the link in for the JSON validator I use. In Visual Studio Code, use Ctrl-A to highlight everything, then Ctrl-C to copy. Go to the internet and to a JSON validator. For this validator, click in this box and press Ctrl-V to paste. Scroll down and click the Validate JSON. JSON is valid, so scroll up and click the Copy Page button or Ctrl-A, then Ctrl-C after you click inside the box again. Now, with your fresh, valid JSON file, you can go back to GTX. Back in File Manager, go down to Profiles, then to the Search for Loot. After clicking on Search for Loot, scroll up and double-click on the Search for Loot.json. Use Ctrl-A to highlight all, then Ctrl-V to paste over what's there. There you go. Now, after your next reset on your server, people have a chance of finding those items you put in there. Again, thank you for watching Rage Gaming. Like and subscribe to be notified when I upload another video.